Welcome to the Department of English, Government Postgraduate College, Attock. These online classes have been started on the instructions of Punjab Higher Education Department, Govt of Punjab, Lahore. The prime purpose of these classes is to help students in continuing their studies and preparation for the final exams. By conducting these classes, the students would benefit from the teaching of their teachers in COVID-19 situation. As you know that all the educational institutions have been closed due to the spread of COVID-19. Hence, online classes are inevitable for the smooth flow of educational activities. That is why the government decided to launch online classes for the betterment of the students. In this regard, we hope and expect that you would pay full attention to these classes and would benefit from them as maximum as possible. We also hope that you would do your best to perform in the exams. For this purpose, our department too started the online classes to help you in preparing yourself for the final exams. I'm Abdul Qayyum from Department of English. Uh, my job is to teach you grammar, that is the paper B portion of the paper, and we have already started the correction of sentences. This is the question of 10 marks in your final paper, in which incorrect sentences are given and you have to correct those incorrect sentences. This question is of prime importance because it can help you in securing more marks, and these marks are very much pertinent and important because exact 10 marks can be got in this question if only 5 sentences are corrected. So I will be sharing the rules and the principles that can help you in correcting the incorrect sentence, and this would not only help you in securing good marks in your graduation, but these rules would also help you in improving your English in general, because the basic purpose of these lectures is to help you in spotting out the most frequent mistakes committed in the usage of English. By knowing these mistakes, you will be able to express yourself in correct English. Hence, it is hoped and expected of you that you would pay full attention to these rules. Further, you are also advised to make notes of these lectures because these would help you later in your preparation for the final exam as well. Now we move to the test number 4. As I had already stated, that we will be continuing with this test series, and it has got two purposes to do these tests. Number one, that they will help you understand your comprehension of these rules which we have already studied, and secondly, they will also help in revising those rules that have been discussed in the previous lectures. So beginning with that one, today we would start with the test number 4. And for your convenience, mistakes have already been highlighted uh, in the red, so as to enable you to detect
the mistake, and that would help you in concentrating and focusing on the relevant point here in the sentence instead of finding out the mistake in the whole sentence. This is what we would be continuing with this one. The first sentence that we have here is the three sheeps are ill. So here you see that sheeps has been highlighted in the red. That shows that there is something wrong with the use of sheeps. So you would concentrate on sheeps and would try to understand what is the problem with this use of sheeps, and you will concentrate on correcting it and how to replace it with the sentence. Similarly, the sentence number two, three gears were killed. Three deers were killed. In this sentence too, you can find that deers is there and it has been highlighted in red. Showing that there is something wrong with the sentence, with the word deer. So you have to focus on deer and just to find the replacement for that one. Sentence number three, 10 miles are a long distance. So R is highlighted in the red, showing that there is some problem with this use of the mile. So you need to do something and to change this R with some suitable word that can correct this sentence well.
Sentence number four. The captain, along with the players, have reached. So, in this sentence, what is wrong with the sentence has been highlighted in the red ink, and that is have. So, you have to concentrate on have, that what is the issue by using have in this sentence, and you have to find out the correction according to that sentence. Similarly, a series of lectures have been delivered. A series of lectures have been delivered. In this sentence too, have has been highlighted. That shows that there is some problem by using have. So you have to correct the sentence by replacing have with some appropriate word, and that would correct your sentence. So in these two sentences, you can see that have been highlighted in the sentences, and you have to find out that how to replace these sentences with appropriate words. Now we move to the solutions of these sentences. That what are the correct sentences for these one? So three sheeps are ill. So you can see that in the previous sentence, s was added with sheeps, and according to the rule, we cannot add s with sheep for making it plural. Rather, without s, they are already plural. So what we have done that we have replaced s from sheep. Similarly, three deer were killed, not deers, as is the case with sheep. Similarly, with deer as well. If we have to make the plural of deer, then even then it would be plural. It would be used as a plural without adding s to that one. 10 miles is a long distance is the correct sentence. In the previous, we had that 10 miles are a long distance. So actual sentence is the distance. The subject is the distance, not the 10 miles. So we have to use the singular verb or helping verb according to this rule. Number four, the captain along with the players have reached. Uh, in the wrong sentence, have was used, keeping in mind the players. Whereas in this sentence, the actual subject is the captain, not the players. So we will use the verb or helping verb according to the subject, that is the captain, not the players. And the captain is singular, hence we would use singular verb or helping verb in this sentence. That is why have has not been used here. Have has been replaced by has, because the captain is a singular one. That's the main reason here. A series of lectures has been delivered. A series of lectures, that this is dealt as a singular, not the plural. That's why it has been used. Have has been replaced by has because this is used as a singular. That's why we have replaced have with has. So a series of lectures has been delivered.